I'm going to share with you 7 of my favorite products that you can sell right now on your Shopify store. And on top of that, I'm going to show you exactly how I find these products. Many of the products I found are making over $100,000 a month on current dropshipping stores, so you don't want to miss out on this. Now let's first go over the 7 winning products, and then after I'll show you exactly how you can find them yourself. The first product is this motion sensor light, which has made a dropshipper $54,000 in the last 7 days. How this product works is you can place the LED light on any surface, and since it's a motion sensor, anytime you're in its space, the light will turn on. You can put it under your kitchen cabinet, on your bookshelf, near your keys, and pretty much any place you'll need lighting. This is a great product because you can create viral videos with it, and it's something that people will always need. The store Glowrite Co. is making over $50,000 per week selling this product, and majority of their traffic is coming from Facebook ads that they're running.
You guys, the lighting in my house honestly sucked before I found these. You can literally pop them onto any surface since the sticky strip doubles as a magnet and the light has one built in. They can easily snap off when you need to charge them and have 3 different light modes including motion sensing, always on, and energy saving. You can even adjust the color temp, which is super fun, and they also come in a bunch of different lengths, so I was able to get some that fit into my space perfectly. I honestly don't know how I survived this long without them. Go grab some for yourself right now and thank me later.
So yes, you can scale this product with Facebook ads, but I also believe you can scale it with TikTok organic marketing. This TikTok video has over 200,000 likes, and there's a ton of other viral TikToks of this product, so you know it's possible to advertise this on TikTok successfully. Now let's move on to the next product, which is this cat litter mat. This is a great product because it ensures the area around the cat's litter box stays clean, and any cat litter that falls onto the mat can be put back into the box. If you have a cat, you know this product can be a lifesaver. People with pets honestly spend a lot of money on things like this, so this is a good product to sell. There will always be demand for this product, and you can create viral ads for it on TikTok and Facebook. If you do plan on selling this product, you can also sell products very similar to it on your Shopify store. For example, you can sell this hair removal cat brush, which is in demand. Now let's move on to the next product, which is this couch and sofa cover. This product has been around for a very long time, but there's always new variations of it that come out. This store called Nolan Interior has made over $180,000 in the last 7 days selling this product. So you know there is a ton of demand for it. And they're advertising it on TikTok, Facebook, and Pinterest, so you can definitely do the same. I would personally start with TikTok organic first and then move to the other ones later. And luckily you can use the store as a reference for what you should do in terms of design and marketing. Now before we move on to the next product, I did want to mention that I do have a dropshipping mentorship where you have my one-on-one guidance to help you start and scale a successful dropshipping store. My students have had amazing results so far. One of them made over $4,000 in just 8 days with TikTok organic marketing. So if you are interested in joining the mentorship, the link will be in the description of the video to apply. Now let's move on to the next product, which is the cervical traction pillow. This product helps you eliminate your neck hump, which develops after sitting at a computer for long periods of time. This store called Kenkoback has made over $240,000 in the last 7 days selling this product. And they're only promoting this product with Facebook ads, so that gives you a huge opportunity. You can step in and start promoting this on TikTok organically. You can even run TikTok ads if you like. And you can use their store and ads for reference, which is great. A product like this will always be around, and it's something people are always searching for. So as long as you can come up with a solid business plan to dominate the market, you should see success. Now let's move on to the next product, which is this personalized love lamp. This is a great product you could sell all year round since it makes a great gift. Basically, you would send a photo of the design you want on the lamp, and then you would receive exactly that. This makes a great birthday gift or gift for a significant other. And yes, it would sell a lot more in Q4, but you can still sell it now. This store has made over $500,000 selling this product and products similar to it, so you know there is definitely demand. I think this product would do very well with TikTok organic marketing and Facebook ads. Now let's move on to the next product, which is this portable door lock. Anyone can use a product like this since it adds extra security to your door. It's especially great for people who travel a lot, but honestly, I would just use this in my house right now. Since pretty much the entire population can benefit from this product, it has a ton of demand. I've seen a ton of TikTok videos go viral of this product, so you can use those for reference. So you can definitely start by scaling this on TikTok organically and then eventually move to Facebook ads. Now let's move on to the next product, which is this portable press steam iron. This product product is convenient to have on hand and makes it easy to iron your clothing. This store called Nuri Co has made over 70,000 in the last 7 days selling this product. So of course, you know there's demand for it. And they're running TikTok and Facebook ads, and they're even working with influencers. So I recommend you first start off with TikTok organic marketing, then you can move to TikTok ads and Facebook ads eventually. Now you might not be able to find this exact product, but there are products that look very similar to it that do the exact same thing. For example, this product right here. Now that I've gone over my 7 favorite winning products, I do want to share with you now exactly how you can find these products yourself. So all the products I just shared with you, I found using the software Minya. And I'll share with you the strategy I use to find winning products here. So first, click on Ad Spy and it will show you winning products on Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. So let's take a look at Facebook first. Click on Dropshipping so we can see all the dropshipping products. Okay, so now it'll show you a ton of winning products, and let's say you see one you like, for example this one, you can click on it and here it's going to give you all the information you need in order to know if it's actually a good product to sell. So first you can check out the actual Facebook ad, which is super helpful, and you can also see the engagement on this ad. Then you can even take a look at their store and use it as an example. As you can see, their store looks pretty good. We can also take a look at the shop analysis. So we can see here they're promoting their product with just Facebook ads. We can see the audience they're targeting, and here we can see they've made over $260,000 so far, and in the last 7 days, they've made over $55,000. Now the reason it's good to know this info is now you know the product has demand and there's people actually buying it. And now you have a chance to sell it better than your competitor by improving your video ads and your store. So this tool makes it really easy for you to find actual winning products. Now if we go here to the TikTok section, it'll be the same process and we can look through the dropshipping products. And now you can analyze the products here the same way we just did. And you can even look in the Pinterest section and see if you can find any good dropshipping products as well. And the shop section here is really cool as well, since it shows you stores that have recently gone viral. So you can take a look through all these stores and it will analyze an entire store for you. So it tells you how much money the store made, who their target audience is, and it even shows you the ads that they're running. And here on the products, we can see the exact products they're selling and which one is selling best. And let's say you really like this store and want to sell similar products. Well, now you can do it since you've confirmed another store is selling them successfully. Now, if you want to try out Minya, I'll leave a link for it in the description of this video. You can sign up and get 20% off your first 3 months with code Sara20. Now, moving forward, I did want to share the next step with you after you find a good product, which is finding a reliable supplier. So if you are looking for a good supplier to find one of your winning products, you can use AutoDS. This is personally one of my favorite suppliers, and they pretty much have all the products on here. And if you can't find a product you want on AutoDS, you can click up on here on Add Product, and now you can just import the product from AliExpress. I'll link AutoDS in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.